They're not yours. They're mine too.
They were bought for me because these are my favorite.
Botten?
Yes.
Get off my popcorn! Pick it up.
I don't know. Where's your iPod?
I would have an iPod. It got stolen, remember?
No, the iPod box.
It's broken, remember?
Oh. Where's the input? Video! Oh.
Video 3. I love popcorn.
What is this? Hey,
Stop! You're spitting all over my room. What the hell are you doing? Are you okay? Ew! You don't know this?
What is it?
It's my Japanese music.
Oh.
That's not the only music on the CD though. This one's Japanese. This one's Japanese.
Japanese.
Yeah.
Japanese.
No.
What? English? Indian?
English.
Who's the girl? Or guy?
Oh, when you're mad. Neil.
When you're mad!
Oh my god. Switch the song! Switch the
I
song.
was trying to be a guy, like Michael Jackson, like when he goes like the little, when he does this thing. Or no, or he goes like, he does this thing when he's like.
Yeah, I know, Britt. Change the song, I don't want to listen to you. No. See, the rest of this is Panic at the Disco. Put it on CD number 3. This is Panic at the Disco. Put it on CD 3.
Where's CD3?